Hi everybody, my name is Richa Mehta and I'm a licensed clinical psychologist. In today's video, we're going to understand how we can eat mindfully. I would encourage you all to practice eating mindfully along with me. So if this is something you would like to do, pause the video here and go grab a snack for yourself. Now the first thing to do when we're starting with mindful eating is to ensure that there are no distractions around us. Shut off any computers, books, phones that you may have lying around and just focus on your food. Now, before we begin, I want you to take 5 to 10 deep breaths to really center your awareness on your breath and then eventually shift it onto the food. So inhale deeply and exhale completely. You can do this a couple of times till you feel you are centered and balanced. Let's begin. I want you to examine the food you have in your hand as if you're seeing it for the first time. So really look at it. What does it look like? Describe it as objectively as possible. So I have peanuts in my hand and I would say they are brownish, pinkish in color. Some are white without the skin and they all have a different shape and size. The next thing to do would be to pick up one piece of that food and hold it in your hand. I want you to experience the texture of the food. Does it feel soft, slippery? Is it rough? You could then put that piece of food on your palm and feel the weight. So this peanut is pretty light. Now you can hold this food close to your nose and breathe in. Really experience what it smells like. Describe it without using any judgment words. Once you're done with that, you are ready to put the food into your mouth. Now when you put this food in your mouth, resist the urge to chew on it instantly. Rather, roll it around your tongue, move it around in your mouth and experience what you're feeling. Monitor how your body is reacting. What are the sensations that are coming up? Is your saliva increasing? Is your tummy grumbling? What is it that you are experiencing? So let's put it in our mouth. Once you're done with that, I want you to slowly take a bite and taste it. You can now swallow the food and feel the sensation. Really watch that food go down from your mouth to your stomach. And lastly, don't forget to be grateful and reflect on where this food came from. Being more mindful about where our food comes from can help us make more sustainable and wiser food choices. Wishing you all the best on your journey of mental health.